Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to check all the created tables in MySQL workbench. Okay, so let's get started. So whenever you enter the MySQL workbench, you will create the database, you will create the table and all. Okay, so we already saw like how to check all the created database. Okay, so now let's see like how you can check all the created tables in that particular database. Okay, so for that, what you can do is like you can just use the simple query or the command. You can just use show tables. Okay, so if you just type show tables, select this particular query or the command, now you can press Control Enter. So here you can see I have already created one table by name student details. So here you can see the student details table. You can see the list of the tables in that particular database. Okay, so now let's try to create one more table. So what I will do is like I will just create one more table. Okay, so create table student details underscore one. Okay, and here for everything I will give it as okay. Let's try to change this. Instead of student details, I will just give it as I will just give it as record details. Okay, so here I will just give it as boy age, boy name, and boy class. Okay, so let's try to imagine that the school has only boys. It's a boys school. Okay, so I'm just taking it as an example. Okay, so don't take it personal. So here I have created the table, create table, record details, and in that boy age and boy name and boy class. Okay, so here we have created one more table. Okay, so I will just select this and I will just press Control Enter. So here you can see one more table has been created. So now let's try to see all the tables in that particular database. Show tables, select this. So here you can see the record details as well as the student details because I have created the two tables in that same database. Okay, so this is how you can check all the created tables in the MySQL workbench. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. Hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.